Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough through the Cluckin farm raid. At least how I do it. You don't have to do exactly what I do. But I find this to be a pretty easy and simple way. Warning, there will be blood, there will be death, and there will be my little brother out in the corner. So, first off, hi. It's been a while. How are you doing? I hope you said good, but I cannot actually hear you. Right. So, words. Uh, no, stop. First, I'm gonna walk over here and get in my car. I like this car. It's a pretty cool car. What can I say? Not a bad car at all. And you're gonna want to head over here with whatever car you got. I don't discriminate. And you're gonna drive down here towards a symbol. This symbol is gonna be a V. So that. Uh, right. V symbol. Rah. Anyways, you're gonna land down here. Ah. I'm gonna pop in here, click enter if you're on a keyboard. Whatever it says is select, click that. Confirm settings, play. Oh, I should probably mention I'm only gonna use a pistol. No fancy pants guns, no super duper cars, nothing like that. Just what I can get. Although this is an upgraded pistol, so do whatever you want with that. Alright, pistol. Here we go. This car's a pretty good car. Really recommend it. Cool. Oh shush. Alright. Oh, Alright. Well, oh my god, stop. I'm sorry. I normally play this mute, so I don't know how much he talks. You're gonna want to head down right to A. I find A to be the simplest, at least to start off with. Hey, fun fact, I actually haven't ever done this with a pistol. I just used a big, strong gun. So, this is gonna be new. Ah, stop. I forgot how drifty this mouse is. Bam. Headshot. Over here. Peep a corner. Bow. No, not bow. Big forehead. KSI kind of forehead. I'd recommend a silencer, but you do you, not your mom or your dad. Remove all the enemies from this area. Walk up here and into here. Alright. Bow. Bop. Open the door. Yes. And that guy dies. Get in here and then you're going to repeatedly click any button, depending on whether you're on keyboard or not. For keyboard, I use keyboard. You use the left mouse button, as you can see up in the top left corner. Now, uh, anyways, this is a pretty easy step of the process. After we remove everyone and everything from this uh, area, I guess, you're just going to want to head down here, out here. Warning, there are going to be 2 people that spawn because you left. Remove them. I highly recommend stocking up on snacks. Those absolutely 100% helped. And armor. If you could get your hand on armor, that'd be so useful. No, not that. Actually, yes, that. Yes, armor. Now, we go down to our car right here. Good parking job. Then down we drive to B. B is a very hard area. There's a lot of people, and there's a lot of nooks and crannies for them to hide. So, as you can see, very fun. Oh yeah, stock up on ammo. Ammunition is very crucial, because you're going to miss. Let's be honest, that's why you're watching this. You miss. And that's alright, man. Oh my gosh, I sound like a PSA for kids. I'm sorry, probably sounded so cringy. Alright. Person's far away. Bad driver. I know, right? So funny. I'm absolutely hilarious. Yeah. See? I'm the best driver. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah. Alright. So, head up here. Remove this person. I'm probably going to make this a 6-part series. So, you can watch the next video after this to, you know, simplify it so you don't have to keep recording. You would not watch an hour-long video. You know you wouldn't. Burst through here. I'm not going to stop. I'm speeding through it because this is the speed you're going to want to go. Pow, pow, pap, pap. Make sure they're both down and they remain down. Person behind here. Pap, pap, pap. Pop, pop, pop. Pap, 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 pap. Pap, 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 boom. I just did that for fun. You don't actually have to do that. Go to here. Repeatedly click that button I told you to. And, yeah. You know, I'm not even sure what money laundering even is. I mean, it's probably a joke that everyone uses big old laundry machines to show it. There's probably not actual laundry machines involved. Then again, I am a minor and don't know much. So, once you are done with this process, which is going to take a little bit, we got one more laundry machine. You're just going to want to drive back to the area we started. There should be a little dot on the map to signify that. And with all your armor and health, you're not going to really worry about crashes. Unless, like, they pin you in and start shooting at you. That's not good if they do. Oh, I have no armor. That's nice. You don't actually have to use a pistol. I'm just doing this to show how easy it is. And how you can use whatever you want. I really recommend, one second. Stop. I recommend this gun, the Micro SMG. Super fast. The greatest for, like, fighting in a car. Because it's super fast shooting. And I think it just gets the job done. At least, I think so. You can have your preferences. I'm not your mom or your dad, like I said before. See, look. Down, bottom left, there is a marker. showing where you can drive. Uh, you're going to want to follow this path. This is a pretty good path, so no no problems there. You're going to want to take care of the people behind you though, and in front of you. Look at that, right there. Try and shoot their tires, have them spin out, that kind of stuff. Make them harder for make it harder for them to follow you. If you Because if you remove one person, if you remove one car following you, then another will take its place. And I don't think you want that. So just make it they as hard as it can be for them to shoot at you. That's what I do at least. What what was that driving? All right. Well, I hope you guys saw that. If not, rewind and watch that again. Fun fact, if you shoot at NPCs, they will speed up their driving, so you can drive more like a madman. Person following us, they're not shooting at us, it's fine. See, you got 120 bucks too. You could probably get a couple snacks. Not sure you can refill ammo, but it's pretty useful anyways. Alright, bam. And now it normally takes me a minute, but there we go. Pretty simple, I must say. Pretty okay way to do things. Would recommend. And go to the next video. I'm not sure when I'll have that posted, but uh, keep looking. Okay? Alright. Thanks for watching.